I actually had a really cool video to show you guys about these ones. Basically, I saved them all from the soil garden, and I wanted to do a video about how you can transplant seedlings that you're going to thin out into your propagator and get a good result. So really, it doesn't matter where the seedlings come from or how you germinate them. You can still run them through your propagator and into your NFT system. However, I got drunk and accidentally deleted all those files. So this is going to be a quick plan. Quick plan. Oh, have a go with that. Well, space is definitely at a premium at the moment. Tomatoes are taking up a lot of it, but they're pretty productive, so I'm not too mad about it. Thanks for joining me today on Hoochos. Like and subscribe for more. I'll see you next time. Hey, hey.